standard trail approach.
To the end of the trail and then over to Trout Brook.
I wonder how we're gonna do what?
The age-old question, which sharp and pointy do I want? It's a tough one.
What?
It's a tough question.
Not more across the left.
And I'm combining Bakugo's quirk with my current skill set, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I would have explodey palm heel punches.
I would do any punch. So I would add an impact like right after I make impact.
Yep.
Like when I'm trying to, like,
Explosion. Yep. Okay, I want your favorite series quirk and then your favorite you invented it or saw it somewhere else quirk.
Okay. My favorite quirk is...
Which one?
Permeation.
What's that?
It's a quirk from someone who is in like a bigger grade level than Texas.
Okay, but what does it do?
So basically, we can like basically the guy who uses it can like go through objects.
Oh, cool.
But if his hair is not if his clothes do not have hair in it, they fall off too.
Oh. Whoops.
So I just say, hey, can you make this? Can you make this into the clothes? Or say, hey, I'm gonna just add this to my clothes and add my hair to it.
I just need to, you know, embed a few hairs here. Oh, that's hilarious.
Yeah.
Let's see, what is my favorite quirk? You know, on one hand, I kind of really like, is it Healing Gal?
Recovery lady?
Recovery Lady, the nurse.
Yeah.
I like the fact that she can help people.
But if they're too injured, it would kill them.
But yeah, I like the idea of a quirk that is pretty much a beneficial helper quirk, not a necessarily an attack quirk. Granted, some of the attack quirks are amazing. I like the zero gravity thing, the levitation.
Yeah.
Well, I can see where a lot of times they'll do a partial season to see it for the first season to see if it's any good, to see if people like it. Buffy the Vampire Slayer season 1 only had a handful of episodes really. What was it 12 or something? Because it came in halfway through. Oh God, that never fails to make me laugh.
Reading books makes our English speaking very good.
Remember when he became a rapper or something?
Hyena.
Oh yeah.
He became a hyena. Oh, big bumps.
Oh God, I did not see that.
Sorry, it's not as bad on the other side. And Steve and I bike this often enough that we know that one's there. This is where we changed my tire.
Nice.
The paper cut cost.
Controls a sharp object to be longer than the paper cut you have.
Hammer down, Petunia. Deer.
Ooh, deer. Yeah.
See the deer? Okay, hammer down a little, Sweetum. Oh, it's up there. I have a question now. If you were a holy knight, which special skill would you have?
a real one?
Oh, I suppose it could be made up.
Alright. I call it flying sword. Oh, or light sword. So basically, you can, like, it's like a thing, it's an ability.
I need to tuck in because there's another biker coming up behind us. Okay, go on, Bear.
An ability where when you use your sword or slice your sword, you are able to make a, you know, you are able to make a arc, not an arc from an archangel, but like an arc bridge arc.
Yep.
A arc that is a random color goes shooting off in the direction you cut your.
Oh, nice. Swoosh. Slice. That's nice. I like it. It's a good one. Bike back. Move to your right, Rhonda. Move to your right. Blink, 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 blink. Okay, that guy's going down onto Wheelock. So Steve and I went that way on Wheelock and went part way to Como. Oh, that's a small problem. We got this. That is a small problem. I'm gonna go up to this one. Ah! Ew. Jack of all trades, Joat, J-O-A-T. We used to talk about at the clinic. I referred to myself as a joat. Go! 999 to the right. Keep pedaling, keep pedaling. Ugh. Jiggle that a little bit. It sounds like you're not quite shifted.
I need to deep breath and nice clear air.
Yeah, it's easier if you're using the Respro.
Sure.
Creek or brook. It's a brook. Go.
Okay, stop behind.
Whoops, sorry. Let's see what happens with this car over here.
Oh, I would have just started to go and make them stop. Yep.
Alright, let's go to the middle.
Don't go past the middle until we know it's safe. They're stopping. Thank you! Hey, Rana, yikes! Stay to the left there.
Alright, we skipped the rush hour, I guess.
Drive through rush hour. We're here!